Productivity means getting important things done in the best way possible. But what makes some people more productive than others? The secret lies in how our brain works and how we manage our time and energy. First, let's understand how the brain focuses. Our brain can only focus deeply for about 25 to 50 minutes at a time. After that, it needs a short break to recharge. This is called the attention span. Working for too long without breaks makes us tired and less productive. That's why many people use a method called the Pomodoro technique. It means working for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. After doing this 4 times, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This helps keep the brain fresh and focused. Next, the brain works best when it has clear goals. When you know exactly what you need to do, your brain releases chemicals like dopamine. Dopamine gives you motivation and makes you feel good when you finish a task. This is why setting small goals and celebrating when you complete them can boost productivity. Another important part is energy management. Our energy changes throughout the day. For most people, energy is highest in the morning and lower in the afternoon. Using your high energy time for difficult tasks and saving easier tasks for low energy times helps you work smarter, not harder. Sleep also plays a big role. When you don't get enough sleep, your brain's ability to focus and remember things drops. Getting 7 to 9 hours of good sleep every night improves memory, creativity, and problem-solving skills, all of which make you more productive. Distractions are the enemy of productivity. Our brain finds it hard to switch quickly between tasks, which lowers focus and quality. Turning off notifications, closing unnecessary tabs, and creating a quiet workspace helps your brain stay in the zone. Finally, physical activity is a surprising productivity booster. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain and releases chemicals called endorphins. These make you feel happier and more alert, helping you concentrate better. In summary, being productive is not about working more hours but working smart. It means using techniques that fit how your brain works, breaking work into focused chunks, setting clear goals, managing your energy, getting enough sleep, avoiding distractions, and staying active. By understanding the science behind productivity, you can make small changes that lead to big results in your work and life.